Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I want to talk about my rainy day routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Rainy days feel calm and quiet. The sky is gray and the air feels cool. I enjoy staying inside and relaxing. On a rainy day, I wake up and listen to the rain. I hear the soft sound on the window. The sound of rain feels peaceful. After I wake up, I make a warm drink. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I drink hot chocolate. A warm drink feels perfect on a rainy day.
This rain is so soothing. And this warm drink is just perfect.
In the morning, I like to read a book. I sit near the window. I watch the rain while I read. Reading on a rainy day feels cozy. Sometimes I also listen to music. I like soft and slow music. The music and the rain sound beautiful together.
Perfect for a rainy day.
In the afternoon, I may cook something warm. I make soup, noodles, or rice. The kitchen smells nice when food is cooking.
This is smelling wonderful already. Just a little more stirring and it'll be perfect. Perfect for a cozy night in.
Sometimes I draw or write in my notebook. I write about my thoughts and my day. Writing helps me relax. If the rain stops, I take a short walk. I wear a jacket and carry an umbrella. The air feels fresh after the rain. In the evening, I turn on a small lamp. The room feels warm and comfortable. I relax and enjoy the quiet time. Before bed, I drink warm tea again.
Just what I needed after today.
Then I go to bed and listen to the rain outside. Rainy days are slow and peaceful. I enjoy my calm and cozy rainy day routine.
What about you? What do you like to do on a rainy day? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.